Good day, everyone. Today, we will be presenting three essential concepts that contribute significantly to organizational success. The first is employee empowerment, second, quality circles, and the last is motivational techniques. These elements are not just management strategies, they are powerful tools that help build a productive, engaged, and innovative workforce. Together, these strategies enhance workplace morale, improve efficiency, and support a culture of excellence. Let's explore each concept in detail.
Hello everyone, my name is Edmundo B. Raimundo. Today I'll be explaining the concept of employee empowerment, what it means, why it is important, and some practical examples. What is employee empowerment? Employee empowerment is about giving employees more authority, responsibility, and trust when it comes to making decisions about their work. Instead of having managers control every step, empowered employees are encouraged to think creatively, solve problems on their own, and take full ownership of their tasks. Now, let's look at why employee empowerment is important. Number 1, boost confidence. When employees are empowered, they feel trusted and respected. For example, letting a team member lead a meeting or represent the team in a client call shows that you trust their judgment, which can boost their confidence. Number 2, encourages innovation. Empowered employees feel safe to share ideas without fear of being shut down. For example, if a company holds regular brainstorming sessions where all staff can contribute suggestions, employees are more likely to come up with creative ideas and solutions. Number 3, increases productivity. When employees have the freedom to make clear decisions, they work more efficiently. For example, allowing a developer to choose the tools or methods they prepare for a project can lead to faster and better results. Number 4, better customer service. Empowered employees can respond to customer needs more quickly because they don't have to wait for approval. For example, a customer service agent being allowed to give small discount or free returns without a manager's approval can resolve issues faster and make customers happier. Number 5 is employee satisfaction. Empowered employees tend to be happier and more loyal because they feel valued. For example, giving employees a say in company policies or involving them in decisions about team goals can lead to higher morale. Now, let's proceed to the examples of empowerment in practice. Some ways companies can empower employees include allowing them to set flexible schedules that fit their personal lives, giving them budget control over small projects so they can make spending decisions, including them in meetings where decisions are made so their voices are heard. In conclusion, empowering employees can help create a more engaged, productive, and motivated workforce. It's a win-win for both the organization and the individuals within it. And that's all for employee empowerment.
What is empowerment? The process of transferring control of individual work behavior from the supervisor to the employee. Empowerment means encouraging and allowing individuals to take personal responsibility for improving the way they do their jobs and contribute to the future. Empowerment is based on the idea that giving employees skills, resources, authority, and opportunity. Motivation as well, holding them responsible and accountable for outcomes of their action will contribute to their competence and satisfaction. Information, knowledge, power, and rewards. What is empowerment? The process of transferring control of individual work behavior from the supervisor to the employee. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself aloud by Coco Chanel.
So, quality circle. What is quality circle? Quality circle or quality control circle is a small group of workers, usually 5 to 10 people, who meet on a regular basis to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems, aiming to improve quality, productivity, and the work environment. So how it works? First is form a circle. Employees from similar backgrounds group together. So this is important because they share a similar task so they can understand the work better and can spot the problem faster. Second is identify problems. They find the issue related to the quality, efficiency, or safety like low product quality, slow processes, or safety risk. Third is analyze. They discuss the causes and the potential solution, looking for the root, not just the symptoms. Last is they present solution. They share ideas with the management for implementation. Then after brainstorming, they suggest practical solution and present them to the management. Thank you.
What is quality circle? We can refer to a group of company employees who meet regularly as a quality circle. They meet to determine how to sort out problems. Their aim is to improve how their company operates, such as its delivery system or production processes. A quality circle members are employees who do the same or similar work. They meet regularly to analyze, examine, identify, and solve problems in their company or organization. Most quality circles are small and autonomous. They are typically headed by a supervisor or senior worker. Many countries today have some kind of quality circle in their companies, organization, and other employers. Most quality circle participants have received some kind of training in problem-solving methods. Example of methods include Pareto analysis, brainstorming, and cause and effect diagrams. After discussing certain issues and finding solutions, they present them to management, which subsequently decides whether or not to implement them. The quality circle is then tasked with implementing whatever the management has approved. According to Wikipedia, a quality circle or quality control circle is a group of workers who do the same or similar work who meet regularly to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems. A quality circle, or AKL, quality control circle. The first quality circle started in Japan at the Nippon Telephone and Telegraph Company in NTT in 1962. It soon became popular in the business community. By 1978, there were about 1 million circles involving more than 10 million workers nationwide. By Prof. Kaoru Ishikawa. Today, quality circles are extremely popular in Southeast Asia. In China, there are more than 20 million of them, although much less common. They also exist in Europe, North America, and some other parts of the world. The concept of quality circles is form use quality circles. Lockheed Martin, for example, a U.S. defense, security, and high-tech company, has been using quality circles since 1974 in their manufacturing plants. Company executives learning about them when visiting factories in Japan. It wasn't long before new quality circles emerged in other U.S. companies and then in Canada and across the pond in Europe. Some employers at first used the circles just as fault-finding exercises until they learn more about them.
Motivation techniques. What is motivation? Motivation is the internal or external drive to encourage individual to take action and perform tasks effectively. There are two types of motivation. Intrinsic motivation come from inside. Example, students study programming because they enjoy solving problems and love learning how things works. The second one is extrinsic motivation. Come from outside. Example, students study programming to earn high grades or to get a scholarship. Motivation techniques used by companies. Recognition program, Employee of the Month, award, public acknowledgement. Monetary incentives, bonuses, raises, and gift cards. Professional development, offering training program or paying for further education. Work-life balance, providing flexible work hours or work from home option. Career growth opportunity, clear path or promotion and advancement. Why motivational matters? Motivated employees are more productive, they are more committed and loyal, they work with greater and passion and creativity.
Motivation is the internal or external drive that encourages individuals to take action and perform tasks effectively. Common motivation theories: Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Hertzberg's two-factor theory, MacGregor theory X and Y, expectancy theory. Motivation techniques in the workplace: goal setting, clear challenging goals, improve focus and drive, recognition and rewards, acknowledging achievement, boost morale, job enrichment, adding variety and responsibility to make work more meaningful. Positive work environment encourages collaboration and reduces stress. Training and development builds skills and career growth. Real-life examples: Google offers flexible work hours and creative freedom. Zappos focuses on strong company culture and employee happiness. Salesforce uses regular employee recognition programs. Benefit of effective motivation: increases productivity, better teamwork, higher employee retention, innovation, and creativity.
Summary: Employee empowerment. Empowerment allows workers to make important decisions and build confidence and innovation. Quality circles. Quality circles encourage employees to work together to solve problems and improve processes. Motivation techniques. Motivation techniques help keep employees driven, satisfied, and committed to the company's success. All three strategies are essential for creating a strong, successful, and positive workplace culture.